Hello everyone, good morning. Especially to you, our dear, lovely instructor, Mrs. Lilith Pingot. So this morning, I will be going to report my topic, our topic, which is the World Heritage. So my report is the continuations of Miss Michelle Turuba, my co-reporters. So the two other places are already discussed by her. So the Philippines, a country with many islands, has some really special places that are recognized by the world for being amazing. So the third one is or historic town of Bigan in 1999. So what is the historic of town of Bigan? So Vigan, established in the 16th century, Vigan is a old town built long time ago when Spain ruled the Philippines. It's like stepping back in time. Vegan's building are a mix Filipino, Chinese, and European styles, making it unique. And also it has beautiful streets with old houses and special way they're laid out. Vegan was recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1999. So let's move on to the fourth one. The fourth one is Tobahata Reefs. So Tobahata Reefs, it is a big area of ocean with amazing coral reefs and lots of sea life. You can see whales, dolphins, sharks, turtles, and many different kinds of fish live there. Tobahara is a very important for protecting all animals and plants that live in the ocean. And also Tobahata was recognized by a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1993 and again in 2009. So let's move on to the fourth one. The fourth one is Puerto Princesa Subterranean River National Park in 1999. So Tobahata and the historic of town was same recognized by the UNESCO World Heritage way back in 1999. So Puerto Princesa, this park has a really underground river that flows into the sea. The park has mountains, forest, and the sea, all in one place. This place is so special that it's been recognized by UNESCO, and also it is one of the new seven wonders of nature. Puerto Princesa Underground River was recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1999. So let's move on to the last one. The last one is the Hamigitan Range, Silent Sanctuary in 2014. So it is Mount Hamigitan. It is a mountain with lots of different plants and animals. Some of animals that live there are found nowhere else in the world, like the Philippine eagle. This mountain also it is important for protecting all the special plants and animals that live there. Mount Hamigitan also was recognized by the world or the UNESCO World Heritage Site in 19 or 2014 rather. So let's move on to the four heritage cycles. By the way, those mentioned places are just a few examples of the amazing things you can find in the Philippines. They show how beautiful and important the country is, and how people working hard to protect them for the future. So, the four heritage cycle. The heritage cycle describes a beautiful and continuous process of appreciating and preserving cultural heritage. It is a cycle because its step leads to the next, creating a positive feedback loop. So, let's start with understanding. When we learn when we learn about cultural heritage, its history, significance, and meaning, we begin to value it. We understand why it's important and how it reflects our shared past identity. So the next one is enjoyment. As we understand cultural heritage, we start to enjoy it. We appreciate its beauty, its stories, and its connection to our lives. This enjoyment can come from visiting historical sites, attending cultural events, or simply learning about traditions and practices. So the third one is value. When we truly enjoy cultural heritage, we begin to value it, recognize its worth, and understand its importance for our communities and future generations. We see it something precious that need to be protected. So the fourth one is caring. Valuing cultural heritage leads to a desire to care for it. We want to preserve it, to protect from damage, and ensure its continued existence for future generations. This can involve active participations and conservation efforts, supporting heritage organizations, or simply being mindful of our actions when we interacting with cultural sites. So with these four heritage cycles, we help ensure its continued existence, allowing us to continue enjoying and passing it to other generations. So I think that would be the end of my topic. Thank you and good day.